Donald Trump remains a powerful force in both domestic and international affairs. His comments and actions continue to shape headlines and spark debate. From the ongoing war in Ukraine to controversies surrounding the cryptocurrency platform Doge, Trump's presence is undeniable. This essay will examine his recent moves and their impact. Trump's influence is particularly evident in the ongoing Ukraine conflict. His self-proclaimed ability to end the war has raised eyebrows internationally. Domestically, his policies continue to reflect his focus on government reform and border security. Trump's relationship with Elon Musk, particularly regarding Doge, has also drawn scrutiny. His unwavering support for Musk's endeavors has fueled accusations of favoritism and raised concerns about transparency in government operations. Despite facing legal challenges and criticism from various sectors, Trump remains steadfast in his approach. His actions continue to reverberate throughout the political landscape, impacting both domestic and global affairs. Trump has repeatedly inserted himself into the conversation surrounding the war in Ukraine. He has gone so far as to say that he is the only one who can bring the conflict to an end. This claim has been met with skepticism by many world leaders. Adding to the controversy, recent peace talks in Riyadh excluded Ukraine. Trump defended this exclusion, further drawing the ire of Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. Zelensky has publicly criticized Trump's stance, accusing him of undermining Ukraine's sovereignty. Trump's comments about the origins of the war have also sparked outrage. He has falsely claimed that Ukraine initiated the conflict, a statement that directly contradicts intelligence reports and historical evidence. This narrative has been widely condemned as Russian propaganda. The international community continues to grapple with Trump's pronouncements on Ukraine. His claims and actions have done little to ease tensions and have instead fueled further division and mistrust. Trump's close ties to Elon Musk and the cryptocurrency platform Doge have generated considerable controversy. Trump has publicly declared his support for Doge, even going so far as to call Musk the platform's administrator. This statement has been challenged in court, with legal battles erupting over Doge's access to sensitive government data. Unions and taxpayer groups have filed lawsuits, alleging that Doge's involvement in federal agencies poses a risk to privacy and security. Despite these legal challenges, Trump has ordered Doge to identify and expose government waste. Musk has touted Doge's ability to streamline operations and reduce spending. However, critics argue that Musk's methods lack transparency and could potentially harm essential government services. The controversy surrounding Doge has raised broader questions about the role of private companies in government operations. The situation remains fluid, with legal challenges and ethical debates ongoing. Section 4. Domestic policy shifts. On the domestic front, Trump has continued to push his agenda through executive orders and policy changes. He recently signed an order aimed at expanding access to IVF and reducing its costs. This move has been praised by some as a step towards increasing affordability in healthcare. Another executive order focuses on promoting radical transparency within the government. Trump argues that this initiative will expose wasteful spending and improve accountability. Critics, however, worry that such broad transparency measures could compromise sensitive information and hinder government efficiency. Trump has also taken a hard line on immigration, further intensifying his administration's focus on border security. Recent reports of migrants being deported to Venezuela and Guantanamo Bay, even after winning court cases against such transfers, have sparked outrage. These actions have been condemned by human rights groups as violations of due process. Trump's immigration policies remain a point of contention, with critics accusing him of prioritizing harsh enforcement over humane solutions. Section 5. Conclusion: a polarizing figure. Donald Trump's actions continue to reverberate both domestically and internationally. His pronouncements on the Ukraine war, coupled with his support for Doge and his assertive domestic policies, have cemented his image as a polarizing figure. While some applaud his direct approach and focus on government reform, others criticize his methods and question his motives. As he continues to wield his influence, one thing remains certain: Trump's actions will continue to command attention and spark debate for the foreseeable future.